say I'm speaking from experience from Nordic Choice Hotels, where I was employed until a month ago. We don't use the star system in Nordics, and we're opposed to the star system because it does not reflect what the guest really needs in forms of services. You could say, and I'm speaking to my peers in the hospitality industry, that technology is something that becomes available in 4- or 5-star hotels and then goes downwards. Speaking from the experience I have in Nordic Choice, I would rather say that it's a driver in both ends with different objectives. Nordic Choice used self-service technology, but also the same technological platform for all hotels, independent of star rating or service level. So I would not say that there's any relationship. It's a myth that we should do different things. However, I can give an example. If you would do a self-service hotel, a 2- or 3-star one, you would have kiosk, you would have check-in, and the motive would be to save staff, it would be to save money. Choice is doing the same thing with a property called The Thief. It's a 5-star seafront property opened in January, and they're doing it to be able to deliver 5-star service in a high-cost country. So they're using technology as an enabler to free up the staff to do other things. They're not saving money on it really, but the staff can do other things. So I see no direct relation between technology and the star system. I also think the star system needs to be changed. It's obsolete, dictating things that are not important to our guests today. I think free Wi-Fi is the same thing as freedom of speech. It is a commodity, faced reality. We need free Wi-Fi. The most irritating is, like most of us, I travel quite a bit. And when I need my smartphone the most, when I need internet access, it's when I'm traveling, and that's when it works the least. I cannot get onto the networks, it's darn expensive and complicated. That's when I need my traveler applications, that's when I need my maps, or my check-in services, and having to go through the hassle of paying for it. It's commodity, it's a necessity. Might even be needed to check into your hotel with your systems. So face reality has to be free or reasonably priced. And I'm also dubious about tiered services, but that might have a marketplace in some places depending on the price of the goods we're selling. But we need infrastructure, we need free Wi-Fi, and it should be easy to log on. Has to work. I would say the key word actually is adaptive. We've been through the me generation, they're growing up, they will be in their 30s when we get there. And their expectation levels of us dynamically adapting to your needs as a hotelier are sky high. Adapting hotel rooms, well, maybe you're bringing your preferences with you, maybe the room temperature, maybe the lighting, maybe the services available on the TV, phone, or if we have a phone in there by then. And other services should adapt to you as a guest, to be what you prefer. You bring your credentials with you, we adapt to you in our way, our flavor, but it's a mix. So adaptive is the key word. Yeah, the Guestroom TV, in my perception, if the guest room is supposed to be adaptive, the TV is the dock, that's the home base. It is the digital touch point in the hotel room where everything comes together. It will interconnect with your personal preferences, with what we now call the smartphone, something else by then, the even smarter phone. And it becomes your portal to the hotel. That's where we display information, that's where we interconnect, that's where we exchange information and navigate through the hotel. We definitely have a different user interface than we have today with the 50, 60-year-old remote control. It's different. If it's voice, gestures, thought, I don't know. It's going to be different and adaptive for hotels.